we are drawn to small things, tiny shoes on a baby, the delicate wings of a butterfly. Miniature worlds hold a special fascination. They invite us to look closer, to marvel at the details. Miniature food factories hold a unique charm. Imagine tiny chefs, smaller than your thumb, hard at work. They bustle about, creating culinary delights. The sight is both intriguing and delightful. Step into a world shrunk down to size, a miniature food factory, bustling with activity. Tiny workers scurry about, their movements precise and efficient. The air hums with the sounds of industry, but these are not the harsh noises of a regular factory. They are softer, gentler, almost musical. Conveyor belts, thinner than a drinking straw, transport ingredients. Tiny sacks of flour are hoisted by miniature cranes. The aroma of sugar and chocolate hangs in the air, a sweet promise of the treats to come. The tour begins in the chocolate room. Here, liquid chocolate flows like a miniature river. The sound of it cascading is a gentle whisper. Tiny workers, clad in miniature hairnets and aprons, stir the chocolate with meticulous care. The scent of chocolate intensifies. It's rich and intoxicating. The workers use miniature molds to create tiny chocolate bars and bonbons. Each movement is precise, ensuring every detail is perfect. Next is the mixing floor. Here, the gentle whirring of miniature mixers fills the air. Tiny beaters churn butter and sugar, creating a fluffy, cloud-like mixture. The rhythmic whirring is oddly soothing. Flour is added, a gentle puff of white dust rising in its wake. The workers, no bigger than ladybugs, move with balletic grace. They add pinches of salt and drops of vanilla, their movements precise and measured. The heart of the factory is the baking chamber. Here the air is warm and filled with the aroma of baking cookies. Tiny ovens, each the size of a thimble, glow with heat. The soft hiss of the ovens is like a lullaby. Trays of miniature cookies emerge, golden brown and perfectly formed. The sight is mesmerizing, the smell divine. The tiny workers, their faces flushed from the heat, carefully remove the trays. Section 6, Cooling and Packaging, a satisfying finale. The final stage is cooling and packaging. The cookies laid out on miniature cooling racks make the faintest tapping sounds as they cool. The rhythmic tapping is like a metronome marking the passage of time. Once cool, the cookies are gently placed in miniature boxes. Each box is tied with a tiny ribbon, a final touch of miniature perfection. The completed boxes are then loaded onto miniature trucks, ready for delivery. Section 7, Miniature Marvels, precision in every detail. Every aspect of this miniature world is crafted with astonishing detail. From the tiniest screw to the most intricate conveyor belts, nothing is overlooked. The level of precision is not just impressive, it's a testament to the dedication and skill of the creators. The tools, the machinery and the overall setup are all designed to function just like their full-sized counterparts. Each piece is meticulously crafted to ensure it operates smoothly and efficiently, mirroring the real-world processes on a much smaller scale. Even the uniforms of the tiny workers are designed with incredible attention to detail. Each stitch, each button and each piece of fabric is carefully chosen to replicate the uniforms worn in full-sized factories. This level of detail helps bring the miniature world to life, making it feel authentic and real. These miniature replicas are not just for show. They are functional and accurate representations of their full-sized counterparts. The comparison between the tiny and full-sized equipment highlights the incredible craftsmanship involved in creating these miniatures. It's this attention to detail that makes the miniature world so captivating. Each element is thoughtfully designed and executed, creating a seamless and immersive experience. The intricate setups and precise engineering showcase the artistry and technical skill required to bring this miniature world to life. The miniature scale allows us to appreciate the complexity of food production in a new way. By shrinking down the processes, we can see each step more clearly and understand the intricacies involved in producing our favorite foods. It's a fascinating glimpse into the world of food manufacturing. We see the individual steps, the precision required, and the dedication of the workers. Each task, no matter how small, is performed with care and accuracy. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that the final product is of the highest quality. The dedication of the workers is evident in every aspect of the production process. Their commitment to excellence is what makes this miniature world so remarkable. They take pride in their work, knowing that even the smallest details matter. It's a miniature masterpiece of engineering and artistry. The combination of technical skill and creative vision results in a world that is both functional and beautiful. This miniature food factory is a testament to what can be achieved when precision and passion come together. Section 8, ASMR Delights, a Sensory Symphony. The miniature food factory is not just a visual treat, it's a meticulously crafted environment where every detail is designed to captivate your senses. The tiny conveyor belts move with precision, and the miniature food processing equipment operates seamlessly, creating a mesmerizing dance of motion and sound. It's also a feast for the ears. The sounds produced in this miniature world are carefully curated to provide an auditory experience like no other. From the gentle hum of the machines to the subtle rustling of ingredients, every sound is a part of this sensory symphony. The gentle whirring of machines, a sound that might go unnoticed in a larger setting, becomes a focal point here. It's a soothing, almost hypnotic sound that draws you in, inviting you to listen more closely. The soft clinking of tools as they come into contact with various surfaces adds another layer to this auditory experience. It's a delicate, almost musical sound that complements the other noises perfectly. The rhythmic tapping of cooling cookies as they move along the conveyor belt creates a steady beat that ties all the sounds together. It's a sound that is both familiar and comforting, evoking memories of home baking and warm kitchens. All these sounds combine to create a symphony of satisfying sounds. Each noise, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in this auditory masterpiece. The harmony of these sounds is what makes this miniature food factory so special. These sounds, known as ASMR triggers, are carefully recorded and played back to create a sense of calm and relaxation. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a phenomenon where certain sounds can trigger a tingling sensation in the scalp and down the back of the neck. These triggers can evoke a sense of calm and relaxation, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. The serene environment of the miniature food factory, combined with these soothing sounds, creates a perfect setting for experiencing ASMR. They are often described as brain tingles or head tingles. These sensations can be incredibly relaxing and are often sought after by those looking to unwind and de-stress. The miniature food factory, with its gentle sounds and mesmerizing visuals, is a perfect recipe for ASMR satisfaction. The combination of visual and auditory stimuli creates an immersive experience that is both relaxing and captivating. Whether you're a fan of ASMR or new to the phenomenon, the sensory symphony created by this miniature food factory is sure to delight and relax you. It's a unique experience that showcases the power of sound and visuals in creating a sense of calm and well-being. Section 9. A world of tiny delights. The miniature food factory is a testament to the power of small things. In this tiny world, every element is meticulously crafted to perfection. The machines, though small, are incredibly efficient, and the workers, though miniature, are highly skilled. Each process, from mixing ingredients to packaging the final product, is executed with precision and care. It reminds us that even in a world obsessed with size and scale, there is beauty and wonder to be found in the miniature. These tiny creations are not just novelties, they are a celebration of human ingenuity and attention to detail. The intricate designs and flawless execution of these miniature food items are a testament to the dedication and passion of the creators. It's a world of tiny delights where every detail is a testament to precision and craftsmanship. The tiny workers move with purpose, their actions synchronized like a well-choreographed dance. Each tiny tool and machine is a marvel of engineering, designed to perform specific tasks with utmost accuracy. The result is a range of miniature food products that are as delightful to look at as they are to consume. So the next time you feel overwhelmed by the vastness of the world, take a moment to appreciate the small things. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the beauty and the details. But when you take the time to observe and appreciate the miniature, you realize that there is a whole world of wonders waiting to be discovered. These tiny delights remind us that sometimes the smallest things can bring the greatest joy. You might be surprised at the joy and wonder they can bring. The smiles on the faces of the tiny workers, the satisfaction in their meticulous work, and the perfection of the miniature food items all contribute to a sense of fulfillment and happiness. So embrace the small things and let them bring a touch of magic into your life.